De la mamá, 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 de la mamá. Crazy.
Zip lining was wild for the first time ever. Wild, that's the best word to describe it. I need water and I need some banana bread. We are on our way to what? Horseback? Horseback riding. Y'all, literally everywhere we have to go, we have to walk like a mile. So this is almost like hiking at the same time. The adventures. So this is a day I don't know if I told y'all, but there's like 4 adventures in this package from 6:30 a.m. to 6:30 p.m. We have made it. Oh, y'all, that whiff of air, you do not want to smell it. Hold your breath. Hold your breath. Only reason why I'm not holding my breath is because I'm trying to give y'all the front row seat. Say hey.
Hello.
Thank you. Y'all, look at him grubbing. What y'all got? Ooh. I hope they give me a big horse because I'm thick. Guys, we are on our horses. I'm low-key scared, but we ready. I got me. What should I call him? LeBron.
LeBron James, LeBron James, LeBron James, LeBron James, LeBron James.
Brownie. So guys, we are officially riding our horses. The nature in general looks so cute. Ooh, he sounds tired. My dog is tired. The floor itself is very dusty and rocky, so I do feel bad for these horses and their feet and their hooves. Whew. But it's a vibe. It's a vibe. Now we are boarding the bus to go where? To the springs?
Yes, ma'am.
To the springs we go.
Are not massive big, but are like very fast.
Look at the volcano.
It's the Rincón de la Vieja volcano.
Rincón de
Rincón
Vieja.
de la Vieja.
Okay guys, now we are heading to the springs. This is our last excursion for the day. Thank you God, because this was a lot, but it was lit. This is so nice. We got to take photos here on this bridge. Yes.
Get you walking.
So guys, y'all see the bridge, another bridge, super cool. They have 2, I believe. And then down here, it's like they have a hot tub kind of vibe. And then they have mudding. If y'all see people with mud, we're gonna do that. I'm scared. I don't like people touching my body, but we'll see. This is nice. So he's about to put the lime in the mud for us, right?
No, we put it ourselves, sweetie.
Oh, we gotta put it on ourselves. Way. We are now in the hot tub. Guys, this is the view from the bridge, and yes, it is giving. That's the hot springs that we were in. It's gorgeous. Okay guys, so we are officially done with all the excursions. We are heading back to our driver. And as y'all can tell, it is a bumpy ride again. We are back in Tamarindo at the food trucks because we did not get to try the food trucks yesterday. And today we're gonna finally try them.
Retail is $5.
All right, y'all, so Mahala brought us out here to see this lame, this place. Okay, guys, we tried out La Perla or whatever it's called, and that's not my type of vibe. My type of vibe is like at least ratchet, you know what I mean? I don't do country. That's just me. It's our last day in the B&B, and the view still hits. The view still hits. We are definitely gonna miss our house, even though we didn't get to enjoy the pool. You know, we still slept in our small rooms. So our driver just got here. We're gonna go on our PJ finally. That's why I have my PJ shades, because we about to go on the PJ. Period. Y'all gonna see what I'm talking about when I say PJ. So we about to board our truck. This was the outside for those of y'all who wanted to see the house. Yes. Alrighty. Let go. So this is the Guanacaste airport. We are boarding the PJ, which means private jet, but it's y'all gonna see what it is. Y'all gonna see what vibe it's gonna be giving. But yeah, we about to see. How do you feel?
Exclusive, private, all things, everything.
Yeah, I'm overdressed. I'm thinking we on a... This is the PJ, y'all. This is the PJ. So we just boarded the PJ. How y'all feel about the PJ?
I love the PJ. You really?
We boarded the
I've been on this before.
Guys, look. Hello. Yeah, it's. Let me not say what. I'm gonna talk to y'all later. So y'all, we about to take off soon. We survived, y'all. We made it down to land, to San Juan. It was rough. I'm gonna say that. It was rough. How does everyone feel about the flight? Terrible.
You didn't know we made it?
No, I have no idea.
Go. No.
Yeah, literally the ride was 30 minutes. Like 30. I thought it was an hour. 30 minutes from Liberia airport to San Jose airport. So San Jose is the capital, so that's where we are now. It would have been a 6-hour drive if we didn't take that 30-minute ride. Yes, 6 hours, okay? San Jose so far seems very Americanized. The roads are very nice and smooth and updated. We have arrived. This is our hotel, the Park Inn by Radisson. Oh, welcome, adding color to life. Okay. Say less, say less. A la belle. It's giving. We are entering the after the PJ. Ooh. So guys, this is our view from our hotel room. It's giving semi-bougie. This is the TV, our full mirror finally, because we didn't have that. The beds are very clean and nice. But now, oh, the shower is, now that water can overflow, but we'll see. Because how would that work? You know what I mean? But it's still cute. And look at this lighting. Yes. So now, guys, we just left our hotel. We are about to go get something to eat. Then we got to do a COVID test and figure it out from there. Probably visit the pool or something. We need to go out tonight. We have to, like, we literally have not, nightlife has been a fail so far. So this is the place. They have helados, ice cream, salad, a fruit salad, tamales. It's cute. Everything's in Spanish.
I know what the coffee says. Okay, this is drinks.
Let me do it for y'all.
Fruit and okay.
Oh, thank you. Oh, that definitely looks better. Oh, wow. That's huge. Okay, y'all, we just finished eating over there. We have our little to-go bag. And there's an art museum over here. And now at these girls vlogging. I know that's right. And then we have our SJO. We have our SJO sign we want to take photos in front of, and probably over there. I don't even know what that is, but it looks cool. So they selling this street food, yes, with the kites for sale. They grubbing. Everybody just vibing. They just big vibing. No. It's Mickey, y'all boys. Hi, Mickey. Oh my God. High five. Okay. We are stepping. So guys, we're going to dinner and I'm waiting for Lisa. Okay. This is our last night, you know, out here in a foreign country. So we want to do the most. We want to go all out. You know what I mean? So let's see where we end up because we had a few options. One place is sold out, or not sold out, but like booked and busy. So we'll see. But check the fits, check the fits. Everybody is giving island vibes. So guys, we have arrived to this place, Gran de Oro. Look at this. It's gorgeous. It's giving expensive. It's giving bourgeois. Sometimes it's cute, but the food is not good. But we'll see. This is a carpet. Wow. As y'all can see, it's giving bougie antique vibes. You already know this is gonna cost a lot of money. Let's go. This is the outside. This is the menu. As you guys can see, we're starting at $18,000. Oh, I don't like salt on the ram, but okay. Gracias.
Okay. Medium well. This.
Medium well, okay.
Yes.
3.
Thank you.
And this is the mashed potato for you too.
This one?
Oh, yeah.
¿Para que está abajo, Manuel?
Sí, ¿qué le dije yo?
Okay. So,
Okay guys, we finished dinner. I did a whole photo shoot. We both did a whole photo shoot. The other girls went back to the hotel to get some dessert because this place is closing, but out of 10, this was a 10. Okay. So guys, today's our last day. I woke up before the girls and I'm starving. So I came here to get breakfast. As you can see, I'm rocking my GG Thrive guide. This is my airport outfit already. You already know I have to represent anywhere I go. I have to represent y'all. We have eggs with ham, some bread, hash browns, a cookie, turkey bacon, some rice. You know they always eat rice, and then some fruits. And they have more stuff, but I'm probably gonna eat some later. So y'all, breakfast was bussin'. We're gonna take the stairs because we need to work out. We made it to the pool area on floor 3. And wow, look how gorgeous. Whew. It's giving Miami. Ooh. Okay, my toes are in. I wish this was boiling hot. Ooh, the sun is coming out. The sun is coming out. The sun is coming out. All right, y'all, we are heading out. Last day, successful. It was chill. It was a vibe. Bathroom, I hope we didn't leave nothing. Y'all, I cracked myself up. But if you guys have watched up until this point, thank you so much for tuning into Gigi's Thrive Guide. Make sure you subscribe if you love this video. Make sure you watch part 1 if you did not watch part 1. It will really put you on. Thank y'all so much, and I'll see y'all in the next video.